In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Twitch username. So for us to get this done, I want you to head over to twitch.tv, and once we are here, you can just go ahead and click your profile here, and you should be able to see here the settings. I want you to go ahead and click that one. Now that we are here, you're just going to go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see here your profile settings. From here, I want you to go ahead and click the edit icon, this one right here, and then you can go ahead and rename yourself. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to rename myself or change my username to this one right here. All right, there you go. And then I'm going to hit the update button. So this time, go ahead and type your password. In order for you to confirm this one, I'm going to click the verify button just like so. And then I'm going to check my email and basically write the code in here. After doing that one, you can just go ahead and click the update button just like so. And now it says updating your username. Alright, it says update complete. Let's go ahead and click the done button. Now, there's one more thing that we are going to change. Here in the display name, you have here customized capitalization for your username. So let's just go ahead and do that one. For example, this one right here, and then this one. So I'm just going to capitalize these and then click save changes. Alright, so that's how you're going to do it. If you're going to go ahead and click your channel, you should be able to see that now you have successfully changed your username as well as your display name. So yep, that's how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.